Question 1. A complexity of algorithm depends upon Option A time only, Option B space only, Option C both time and space, Option D none of above. Question 2. An algorithm can be represented through Option A flow charts, Option B pseudocodes, Option C instructions in common language, Option D all of the mentioned above. Question 3. There are two algorithms. Suppose A takes 1.41 milliseconds while B takes 0.9 milliseconds, which one of them is better considering all other things the same? Option A is better than B. Option B is better than A. Option C both are equally good. Option D none of the mentioned.
Question 4. Considering an array has 10 elements and the searching element is at array index 6. A starting element is present at index 0. How many comparisons are required to search an element using linear search? Option A 5. Option B 6. Option C 7. Option D 8.
Question 5. In computer science, the computational artifacts could include Option A programs, Option B simulations, Option C videos, Option D programs, simulations, and videos. Question 6. In the planning phase of computational artifact development, following is included in Option A logic, Option B data structures, Option C control structures, Option D logic, data, and control structures.
Question 7. Trace method is used to Option A take input, Option B hand simulate the execution algorithm, Option C take a print, Option D align margins.
Question 8. Trace tables are used to Option A dry run algorithm, Option B test if algorithm is giving expected output, Option C show the variables change, Option D A, B and C. Question 9. Algorithms are evaluated using Option A correctness, Option B efficiency, Option C A and B, Option D none of above.